Welcome back to step 4 out of the in total 9 steps of the TPbenchmark software regarding the multi-check. The multi-check owes its name to the possibility in this step to reject multiple companies at once, guided by the parameters created in the previous step 3 and which are shown on the left side of the screen. For example, starting with the manufacturing parameter, these are all the companies for which the trade description, full overview or website provides at least one hit on the keywords inserted for the manufacturing parameter, and also the number of hits. If we now filter, for example, for at least one keyword hit in the trade description to have the most relevant companies on top, we can just go from top to bottom. The firm is engaged in the production. You see now how the highlights provide an indication for the user to quickly scan the trade description and make a guided decision to reject the company. Once we have selected the companies in this list that we want to reject, we can select the rejection button, provide a comment for all the companies we want to reject under the manufacturing parameter in the multi-check, and we reject the companies. You would do this for all the parameters that you have created. One last note, it is only possible to reject companies in this stage, as it is common practice to only accept companies also based on the website review for a higher degree of comfort on the decision. This is only possible in the next step after we again press the next button.